Well, with new concerns about the LA County case and the country facing another potential surge, we have another major new development.
KCAL9 has confirmed 138 LA City firefighters have been sent home without pay for failing to comply with the city's vaccine mandate. KCAL9's Tom Wade is here now with the very latest on that development. Tom?
Yeah, and those numbers were actually even higher, and then some of those firefighters did get vaccinated. We'll have more on that in just a second. So some of the firefighters who are refusing to get the vaccine have banded together and formed a group called Firefighters for Freedom, and they're taking the city to court to get their jobs back.
We still want to go to work. We still want to continue serving the public.
John Knox with LAFD, a 21-year veteran of saving lives, running into burning buildings, helping the sick, is now off duty because he is in violation of LA's COVID vaccine mandate.
I just finished a 96-hour shift, and as I left the building, I received an email that basically said, "You're relieved of duty."
Knox is part of the group Firefighters for Freedom, a group formed to fight back against LA's vaccine mandate, but the city has not backed down. And according to LAFD, just before Thanksgiving, 222 unvaccinated firefighters were notified to comply. 109 of them got the shot. 113 are now suspended without pay.
It's really unfortunate how we're being treated. We're being put off duty with an email, which is absolutely crazy.
This boils down again to personal choice, freedom. That's what this is all about.
The nation's top medical experts argue the vaccine is not just about personal choice. Choosing not to get vaccinated, they say, impacts other people, increasing the chances the disease spreads, creating new variants, and potentially taking up a hospital bed that could be avoided with a vaccine.
That narrative is old and worn out throughout COVID. The whole time. We have personal protective measures in place: gloves, goggles, N95 masks, the respirators.
Firefighters for Freedom has their case in court, and later this month they have a hearing scheduled where they're hoping a judge at least temporarily blocks the mandate. Loyola law professor Jessica Levinson says LA may have history on their side.
When it comes to these vaccine mandates, the city really is on strong legal grounds. We know that the states, and including the cities, have strong so-called police powers that they can regulate in the areas of health, safety, welfare, and morals. When it comes to a vaccine mandate that clearly falls within health, we have about 100 years of Supreme Court precedent to indicate that vaccine mandates are okay.
Whatever the legal outcome, these firefighters have devoted their lives to protecting others, and now they feel cast out.
It's hard, we took an oath to protect and defend and serve the public, and that's what we've done.
LAFD's union president told us tonight that unvaccinated firefighters should be able to stay on through a testing option, and has also said response times could be impacted by the suspensions. A spokesperson for LAFD says there are no closed engine companies or stations and no impact to operations. Juan, back to you.
That's good to know, Tom. Thank you. Here are the overall numbers for LA County. Today, they reported more than 1,900 new cases. That's the largest daily total in almost 2 months. Also, 24 additional deaths from COVID and 574 people are in hospitals. President Biden stressed that he does not believe that shutdowns or lockdowns are necessary right now as the White House tries to protect the fragile economy from more damage.
But he was frank about the potentially dark